You ever wonder where Iman and Alex get their sound effects from? Well, who gives a shit where they get them from? Let me tell you about a free tool where you can just generate them yourself. You can create insane sound effects or even replicate a voice in mere seconds. All you have to do is describe the sound effect you want to create and boom, watch the magic happen. No more looking for sound effects or scouring the internet to download some sketchy files. The craziest part is, I'm not getting sponsored to say this. This is from my own bias. I'm gonna gatekeep this product unless you message tools in the comments, then I'll just send you the link. But trust me when I say, you need this shit.